besides this.
That's really big.
Oh, go deeper through it. Don't forget, you need to get like tiny ones so we can thread a piece of string through. So we got a string right up at the paracord.
Wait, I need to put a hole through this. Or no, this. We can.
You need a hole